Are you tired of your stove just not working? Frustrated? Is your oven just not working also for some strange reason because your stove doesn't work? Is your microwave oddly not working also and you're just getting so frustrated that you want to run away from your home, leave your family, and start a new job and a new life? And in this very moment you realize that you can't run away, so you feel defeated and you just feel like throwing your whole kitchen away because none of your appliances work? Well, have no fear because I have the appliance for you. Yes, you. Now let's get you back to your kitchen. Wow. Hi everybody. Welcome to my video, and today I'm going to be making roasted Brussels sprouts in an easy bake oven. So welcome. And I'm going to be showing you how to make it in an easy bake oven just in case your oven stops working, your microwave explodes, and your stove runs out of gas. First, you get your easy bake oven, and then you plug it in so it can start preheating. Now we're going to turn the easy bake oven on, and I think it's right here. So we're going to just click this on. The light, look at it. You see the lights on? That means it's on. So our easy bake oven is gonna sit here and preheat while we prep our ingredients. So everything that you need to make your Brussels sprouts in your easy bake oven is obviously the pan and the little spatula thing to get it out of the easy bake oven. So we need that. But then our ingredients for our Brussels sprouts is Brussels sprouts, bacon, any kind will do, whatever makes you happy. Salt, pepper, maybe some Pam, just in case. And I guess like a knife and a cutting board, you know, which I have right here, like magic. Just magically came out of the floor. So let's get started. This easy bake oven, not gonna lie, it smells like burning plastic. I don't think that's a good thing, but we're gonna continue with the video. So first you're gonna get your bacon. You're gonna cut it up into a few pieces so it can fit on this tiny pan to go inside of your... So we're gonna cut it up real quick. We have the cut up bacon here. And we're now about to place our cut up bacon in our little tiny baby pan. But first we're gonna spray it with Pam because who knows how this easy bake oven works. I don't even know how long it's gonna take to cook, but this is why I'm doing this for you guys, so you know how to make it in an easy bake oven. So we're gonna spray it a little bit, and we're gonna add our bacon to the pan, like so. And we're gonna place it inside of the easy bake oven. We're about to figure this out together because I don't know what I'm doing. I think it's preheated, it's warm on top, but like who knows how hot it is on the inside? I don't know, like I really just don't know. So we're gonna take our little whatchamadiggy, and we're gonna place our pan over here, put it in, and so I guess I'll let that sit in there for like until I smell bacon cooking. So next step, Brussels sprouts. So now I have my Brussels sprouts already washed and ready to go. I'm probably gonna cut them into, oh my God. I'm gonna cut it into fours. I'll show you what I mean. So we're gonna cut it down the middle. Hope y'all can see. Then we're gonna cut it again on each half. So we have our Brussels sprouts chopped up. I smell the bacon now, like I really smell like it's cooking. And I think it's sizzling. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So right now, I wanna take some of the bacon fat out of this. Put some of the bacon fat in here. Basically all of it. We're gonna put this back inside the oven. Okay, and then we're gonna season our Brussels sprouts while they're out of the oven. I'm gonna put a little pepper. We're gonna put a little salt. I don't know why we have this big box. I couldn't find my salt shaker, so. Do you see? It's falling at the bottom. Okay, we're gonna put some of the salt. Oh my god, oh my god. We're gonna put some of the salt falling at the bottom of the box in there. Okay. We're gonna kick it up a notch. We're gonna add some Tony Saturates because why not? We're gonna toss it all around because the bacon fat's in here, all the good deliciousness. So there's our Brussels sprouts. The bacon in here is like exploding. It's like sizzling. It's like here, it's now. So we're gonna take her out. I think she's done. Let's see, we'll try these. Very greasy. It's not crispy, but it's done. So next step, we're gonna take our bacon. So now I'm back. Sorry for the background noise. My mom's cooking in the kitchen now. So we're gonna check on our Brussels sprouts. It's been about 20 minutes, and we're gonna see what they look like. They kind of stink, not gonna lie. Okay. Okay, this is what they look like right now. It's been 20 minutes. I want to flip them over and put them back in. I'm just gonna add my bacon to my Brussels sprout pan and put it back in the oven. Let it roast a little bit more and it should be done. I'm just gonna put it back inside of the big oven for, let's say 10 minutes. And then we'll have our finished product. So see you later. Look at these. Don't they look good? In the easy bake oven. So, time to taste test it and see if it actually tastes good. Okay, now it's time to taste test and I have a special guest to join me to taste it with me. And it is my mom, yay!
Hello.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm her mom.
She's my mom. Okay, so we're about to taste the Brussels sprouts at the easy bake oven. It took 3 hours, but it better taste like it was worth my time. That's all I need to know. So we're about to try it. Go ahead and dig in. Get some bacon. Okay, let's go.
Can we go?
Oh. Okay, look, they're not bad.
They're good.
They're actually pretty good. And
They
it's
al
surprising.
dente. I kind of like them like that, a little crunchy.
Yeah, they're a little crunchy.
Very flavorful.
But other than that, not gonna lie, they're pretty good.
If you cook them anymore, they'd be like mushy, so
Oh yeah,
this
you know
is
what?
perfect. And an easy bake oven,
In the easy bake oven.
you did a good job.
Okay, thank you. So, thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe down below if you want. And goodbye.
Bye, guys.